guys, I'm Katie.
And I'm Sophie.
And today we're going to be doing
each other's makeup.
Let's get right into the video. Okay, so now that I'm done with the primer, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup in the shade of Natural Ivory. So now that I'm done with her foundation, I'm going to get into the eyeshadow, and I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So, let's see. I'm going to use the shade Peaches and Cream and go all over the lid. I'm going to do more of a natural look, just for everyday kind of. And then I'm going to take the shade Puree and just kind of deepen up her crease a little. Pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to take, sorry. Okay. Now I'm just going to take the shade Nectar, and I've dampened my brush, and I'm just going to not really cut the crease, but just kind of go in and just add a little pop of color kind of. And then just do that kind of like on the inner corner a little, and then from there take the shade Just Peachy and dampen your brush again. And make sure you get a lot of this because it's not that pigmented. And just kind of go ombre it kind of. This becomes more of like a fluorescent opal kind of color instead of a pink. Now I'm just going to take this brush and take a little bit of a darker shade like Peach Pit. And make sure it doesn't come out as dark as it looks. And then blend all of it out. Alright, so now we're done with one eye, and I'm going to do the other one. Okay, so now that we're done with the eye look, we're going to be using the CoverGirl Lash Exact Hydrofuge Mascara. And do you want to do the mascara?
Yeah, I guess so.
Because I feel like if I do it, it won't look good.
I don't know about that.
Okay, now that she's done with the mascara, I'm going to be using, again, the Bobbi Brown Essentials Bronzing Powder. This is kind of my go-to bronzing powder, I guess. Even though I really want to get Hoola.
I want Hoola too.
Okay. Duck face or I don't put that much on. Just because it's kind of, well, right now it's snowing outside, so it would look really fake. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be doing highlight. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in Pink Quartz. I love this so much. Like, it's really nice. Like, super nice. I'm going to use this. Okay, and she's going to apply the lipstick. This is Estee Lauder True Lipstick Fiery Rose. Fiery Rose. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao.
Ciao.